Hi, today we have a skeleton with a frame. It's an engraved wood earring, and I'm going to show you step by step how I painted this wood blank to make some spooky Halloween earrings. So I'm using Thule pens, and here we have a number 3. It's a neon green. Oh, this thing got dried out on me, so I had to fix it, shake it. Now it's working good. Just going to apply it on the background. This was a really fun, interesting piece to color, to paint. I had some color variations going on because for some reason, the way I colored it or the sanding technique I used, it just looked like a completely different green from the first one I had done. You'll notice it. And I thought for a minute, maybe I should just forget about doing the green. But anyway, I have a sanding sponge. My hand's in the way. Yeah, that's gonna happen. So I just sanded it down. Yeah. My tongue was tied. Now I'm taking another green. Which, when I started doing it, it didn't really look how I intended it to look. The colors were totally off. This is the Yucca Olive color in the Southwestern palette. You see? Oh, I was flustered. Oh, fingers dabbing to dry it off. Now we're just going to go back at the 3. And I forgot to show you that that was a 9, so there you have it. I'm just going to paint this portion, background portion in again, hoping for the best. All right, looks good. Next, number 24. That's a pale plaster. And here, I didn't really think I wanted the white for the skeleton. This one seemed a little more creamy, natural. I don't know. But nevertheless, it was really fun to color. What's the hip bone's connected to the thigh bone. All right, that looks good. Yeah, I made a couple mistakes, so I went in and fixed them. I like to do it right when I see it, otherwise I may not. Right when the crime happened, I go back and clean it up. All right, number 15. That's Fire Glow in the Southwestern palette. Just taking this for a roundabout ride here. Now, all of these colors are subjective. You can use whichever colors you like. If you want to put stripes, if you want to put polka dots, this is all how you see it. I'm just making suggestions or just showing you how I came up with the color palette, the spooky color palette. And now I'm just filling in the frame portion. These look like pearls to me, or beads, or even rhinestones. I mean, I thought about applying little rhinestones to them, but I don't have any of those. So if you have any, maybe you should go ahead and apply them to your own. I think that'd be really cool. And then I'm just using the, what color was that? The Smoky Haze, the number 26 from the Southwestern palette. I really like that Southwestern palette from the Thule pen. And I'm just putting some dots, dot, dot, dot. And then I'm picking up the black in the dual tip pen. And just now I'm doing the edge. And we're gonna give it a whirl here, going around and around in a circle. Almost there, just a little bit more. And there you have it. It's a skeleton with the frame, engraved wood earrings. Thank you for watching, and have a great, great crafternoon.